Hi everybody, we are so super excited. We are over the moon to share our new licensing product with you. We got licensed with a company that does my besties in wood chip and chipboard. So these are our new My Besties mannequins, and you can get them cut out and you can see, let me show you how thick these are. They're really quite thick. So you can make these into ornaments. You can make them into card toppers. There's so many different things that you can make them into. And we're super excited about these, and we can't wait to see what you guys come up with too. But what we do is we offer them as the single wood chip, and then you can get all of the fussy cut embellishments that come with it. They also come in paper, so we pre-cut them out in paper for you and fussy cut them into kits. Some come with hats, some come with the flowers alone, and some come with multiple mannequin heads. And we've got all these different designs, all these different colors. Now when I made mine, which I'm going to show you later on, you'll see that what I did was I added extra flowers. So I got extra little flower packs to go with mine and built them out. And I'll show you how I did that later in a different video, so you guys can see how we did it. But they come in the single kits, and then they also come like this, where you can get them the wood chip, and then the flowers come with it too. So there's multiple ways you can order them, which we're so excited about, you guys. These are so fun. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with these. So these are going to go into the shop today. So check out the shop when you get a chance. Stop by and see all the fun new Bestie mannequin heads that are in there. And we will talk to you guys soon. Bye.